Hello, this is a jacaretinga. It's a very common species of caimans here in the Amazon, and we identified that species through the yellow belly. This one's a baby. It's about 2 months. It's very cute, very
Você deu
tiny.
beijo no jacaré?
Yes. And they attack, they bite, they throw their tail, and they roll, and they take the food to eat under the water. Here we can see a membrane in their eyes. Show the membrane, please. Sorry, mostra a membrana aqui do olhinho. Oh, it's like they were wearing goggles. They can see under the water and they protect their eyes like that. It goes until 2 meters, 2 to 3 meters maximum. And this one is a baby. Very cute baby. Bye. Agora vamos fazer a carinha na barriga.